Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we are talking about how you can hide the snap package file systems from the lsblk command. So what am I talking about? Alright, so let me show you. I use this command a lot, and if you use Linux a lot, you will end up using this a lot because lsblk helps you find out partition information as well as hard drive information. Like if I need to figure out what partition is my root on, and I know it's on NVMe ON1P1, or maybe I need to look and see if my SDB hard drive is connected and being recognized by the computer. I run this command. The problem is that my command is clouded with all of these snap file systems, which, by the way, all of these file systems are sandboxed, so I can't really, they're also read-only to the user for the most part, so I can't even touch them. I'm not supposed to be able to touch them, but we see them in this command output, and it is super annoying. It bothers me because I don't care about this. I don't want to look at it. Well, you can actually get rid of this. And now the way you can get rid of it is, if you want, you can run the lsblk E7 command. Now, as you can see, we do not see those. We don't see them now because we're running E7 as opposed to running the regular command where we have it in here. And that's great if you want to type out lsblk-E7 every single time. But if you're just running from muscle memory and you run this command, you're going to see this everywhere you go all the time. So to make it go away permanently is what you can do is you can edit your bashrc file like so. And from here you type in alias equal alias, let's see, lsblk equals, and then we can do lsblk E7 and we can save it. Now I'm going to open up a new terminal, and as we can see, I'm running the lsblk command, but if I show you again, it's actually running this command. So I'm telling it to do this, but really the terminal's like, oh, you want this. So what that allows me to do is, no matter what, if I forget that I need to run the E7 switch to get rid of the annoying snap packages in the lsblk output, I don't have to worry about it. It just does it automatically. I know snap packages are pretty good for a lot of things like servers or for automatically configured software, and because a lot of companies put stuff on there which gives us access to more software. But a huge drawback is just how I don't know what it is, but they just show up everywhere. You see the file systems, like if you look in your home directory, you know, you have like the snap folder, and everyone just has to deal with the snap folder there if they use snaps. And that's annoying, but at least we can filter out the file systems from the lsblk output. So anyways, guys, I hope that this tip was helpful. It has bothered me for a very long time, so I'm very glad that I know how to get rid of it, and I hope that this helps you too. Anyways, guys, I have to get going, but I will see you in the next video.